come my way. Oh yeah.
If you tell me, say I love you. I said that. My money, oh no, baby. I said that. 30 billion for your
account. You know I send 30 billion. No?
It's actually a Gucci for your own, no, baby. I said that. No do. Hey, no do, Salero. No do, Salero. Hey, no do.
Oh, yeah, baby, cool down.
Let's do this.
I
Me the whole world, men am ni ododi. The whole world, men am ni ododi. No do, Sarah. No do. I said, no do, Sarah. No do.
Baby, too bad.
It's because of you.
I know.
That's why I'm very happy.
I know.
I want people to see the way I've hold you, the way you are becoming to be my lover.
I am already your lover.
Oh my God!
Baby, get closer.
Oh, sorry, baby.
Okay, let's change. It's like yours is smaller than mine.
Hey, Obama, no, I'm born you.
Let's go inside here.
No, baby.
Let's stay here.
What's a hotel? The way they bring the food and everything. No?
Nice. And the time that we were drinking the tea, we did this. Yours is finished.
Energy.
Baby.
Baby.
Amazing.
Let's try another one.
Another one.
This year, 2025. Anyone want to cross our loveliness and our partner crime, God will punish the person.
Punish.
Somebody who want to destroy our relationship this year, God will punish the person and kill the person.
Exactly.
This year, nipa ombesi eboku yenim no, we punish in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Baby, I love you, okay?
I love you more.
I will never leave you in this life.
Never, you can't.
I will never.
And no one can separate us.
Never!
Nobody. Nobody.
I put her. Yeah, relationship with me doing the billboard.
Hey.
I will do billboard for us. Yeah, relationship you know. Yeah, the better Facebook, Twitter, baby, I bet trend, I bet flop bloggers. I'm on my blog.
I believe you.
You know I will do that.
I know.
Because of you, from this time onwards, I will do anything for you to be happy. It's a promise. It's a promise. I'm telling you the truth. baby.
Let's go back. It's like the ice here. I'm not really. I'm not comfortable.
Baby, forget the ice.
Let's go inside or let's go out.
Let's go inside.
Inside.
I'm fine. Got to my ice only. We are in a rare.
Public.
No do.
Hey.
No do. What's it? No do.
Baby, let's go. So mommy. Oh, baby.
Baby, let's go.
Baby, sounds so be a dog, mommy.
No do.
Hey. Nah. Wait, see that thing. And then I'm who? My dear, precious. Hey. Boy, when she
yeah, me punk what I mean, you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me ya. Me person me come any months with your mayor. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go.
Hey. You mean si from bra make sound. Hey. Si from bra make sound ho. Oh hey, si from. Wo Dino, ushia me na kwasi asembere na wo yetwe me. Ah, chesa Mubo mekutia. Mubo mekutia. Now, what me bana? And can you make us who you show? We might show. What's in your home boy could on? Now, dear, Mashada, may Piluku Hono, a deb of one, big channel name.
Are you okay?
Who sounds me okay?
We are fine. Sorry, ma'am, me baby now. You're boarding.
Baby, babe.
No, maybe by chance we mistakenly said failure, and you thought you are failure. And we didn't even mention failure because now it's just success that we mention. So don't assume that we will ever mention your name anywhere. I will never mention your name anywhere. We didn't talk about you. We didn't even say anything related to somebody not ever having a boyfriend.
Hey, just a attitude wrong.
No, that be.
Open say will show me so attitude wrong. Precious, me be boa panta mana be show ha. So to enemy straight. Me be chiana ma.
See am sweetheart eh. Ono onye to say Scanty a obaya ade ano no so abeye adem so ha o. Ono oye big man.
Hey.
If you fool obebo.
Why na bebo me?
So don't try it.
Baby na ni tita say
sister, if you don't want to do now beka obi looks. Are you coming to talk about somebody's looks? Did you see the man you slept with?
Hey, Precious, don't touch me.
No, don't touch me. You are not my mate. Listen, you are not my mate. You see, I'm not even using my right hand. You are not my mate. You are not my mate. Don't try and touch me.
Hey,
man, so me mu. No, you are low class. You are on a certain level that you can't even talk to me. Do you get it? Baby, I want to mean kasa. So today be I now friend come and percentage now no kasa but
boy now when you not to brofuna ni tika kaka ni na me low class na na say.
Oh, who name the why oh.
Then my
who name the why? I have evidence.
Which evidence?
And who in here say me prove me who actually be and who in here.
What evidence are you talking about?
You know that I have everything that you've been doing with say my that baby now won an enim tuntum na nya yare ntina na enim yesa ne ti abam no be ka obi ba
me listen my evidence be na wo fabra evidence precious
me the many to fanfula
me say
not fanfula
let's fanfula na me ama evidence me
bua
no fire evidence me bra me chemo.
I don't have your time. Give me everything.
It's the one I chap
what's going on?
Yes.
What's going on? Every time I see you guys, you want to fight. What now?
Okay.
No.
Hey,
to low level.
Shut up! No, relax.
Hey,
shut up! Relax. What's going on? Now let's see celebrate and the fight.
Nonsense.
Precious. What's this? Precious.
What?
What's this?
Haven't you seen this thing in school before? It's not anything new. Eh?
You are always fighting with us. So right now, what's the problem?
I have to go. My head is aching. I'll see you another time, okay?
Precious. How the tram?
One.
How the tram? How the entering car? How the portal? Mommy see. Precious. Mommy see. Best how the. I send them in the armor. Prayer. Pay for prayer. Okay, you walk.
Now, hey, I didn't know Precious say him. Who only Precious? Then I'm person where me.
Right now, what is your problem?
Maybe problem they say.
Yesterday, I came to meet you fighting with Precious there. I asked you what was wrong. You didn't tell me anything. I even thought that maybe you'd be so thoughtful and then you would actually calm down and explain everything to me. But no, you just stormed off.
You want me to explain everything to you?
Yes.
And now Precious catch me say who do audio be a man. Say I me my you can't say akwana e dey ato so ye dey ahyew. And now wo command evidence, wo command audio. When you back when you mienu. That means you did it.
Asantwa, I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about, right? Okay.
If she says she has an audio, she can keep her audio and then whatever she would call it. But for me, I haven't given her anything. So I don't know what she's talking about right now. All I will tell you is that stop fighting with her on the daily. What's that? Don't you have peace to sit somewhere?
Me mean John and into kwa one my J trim planana me ko kan wasem no be easy show that we so no.
You say she and who?
My J had make us any so jina me no.
Come on, what are you trying to tell me that Precious will go for Mike? Does it make sense to you?
When ask her.
Ask her what?
One my J trim planana who me omu bo me kuti ache say. Omu bem
Asantwa, what type of fallacies are you trying to say right now?
She says, "I am but I'm sorry. Na me crazy.
Relax. Just speak.
There be other make her some so person or chems are Precious no holy. Or a holy ana. Eh?
Come on, you know that some things are conk.
Okay.
Oil and water never mix. Why would Precious and my J go together?
It will make sense to you later on. When ask her why. Na mu de mummy enu. E mo nko for mo. E be bo abastro. Baby.
Precious and my G. This doesn't even make sense. Why would Precious choose my G? What's going on?
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months I me ya.
Precious.
Yeah.
Precious.
Go on.
Precious, don't you think we have enough problems in this school?
What are you talking about?
When you were arguing with Asantwa, why did you tell her about the recording? And this time, why did you mention my name?
Vaughn. This is in the past. This girl has given birth for the baby to die. So what is wrong with me talking about it? There's nothing wrong with it.
Precious, we've had enough problems and stress in this school.
Oh, come on. Maybe you've had enough. Me, I haven't. I still want problems. Always. Every day.
Are you dumb?
No, I'm not. You know I'm not.
God. You are really becoming annoying right now. If you don't know, let me tell you.
But I'm not.
Look, just stop talking about it with her. If it's a problem, let it stay her problem. And let it also stay between us.
Okay.
Stop that. Yeah. And then one more thing.
Another thing.
Yes,
John,
because you keep on causing problems. What do you want me to do?
Which problem have
What do you want me to do?
What is all this drama? What is all this drama?
Oh God.
Hey.
Precious. Asantwa told me something. I don't know if it's true or not. What's going on between you and my J now?
Whatever she told you, it's true.
Hey.
So just take that.
Precious.
Yeah.
Precious S Abadi.
It's true.
Precious Abadi no enukwal.
I'm dating my J. I'm sure that is what she told you.
How them be see? Hey. Ow. Ekede ye do echira. Ye beba be do enyim. Ekede na enko support Barca, onko te be ka support Madrid. Ow. Precious. They are kept guy. They are what in school wa abona. It's their bum. Ono nam o se transaction failed. Akefan. Transaction failed. Precious abati. Abadi ntina fine girl tida wo be se wo ye fiodi. Kene kepe benyina ono be match na wa ma bibia ye fe bi akepe chocolate colored guy bi kan ono color na aye kama. Akefe guy ya. Hwe, mama ka asem. Let me tell you something. If you think or if you know that you are going to be living with my J like this and dating him, if you see me pass,
Vaughn,
don't talk to me. I don't want to hear anything. But
why are you making a big deal out of this?
I'm making a big deal out of. Precious, you are not in your right senses. Go and think about this and come. I said if you walk with him, don't follow me. Anyen.
Vaughn.
Someone some.
I have to stop talking to my J because
you the Rosalind Amon you. Rosalinda mu na ye yimu. She we ni lagata mu na ye. Oh, gangster the flower she was mochi. Bra, oh yeah friends ya honya fesi. No mama so here the oche. It really a reflex. E di ntia me buy no sem fuck to be na me pitim bisa. Question and answers.
Oh, but you can talk, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, you can talk. What's the problem, bro?
We dear. Mr. We actually me so asem na hye me so ma dwenedwene ho am de akoda yam ma dwenedwene ho na me say ma mebusa wo ba me fache o ade na ekoso wo ne precious ntem
What's it?
ade na ekoso wo ne precious ntem ade a
Ade
wo
hu ne say
ade a wo ya obi gine che obetima from princess o
oh and your princess asemu
dia wo ya nice boy a wo ya wo say
ade we hu ne say your friend say
educator mu nyina hwe wan wo ya
onya uji na o pass mama di pa o e say dia asem then I will be so
me mpese mbusa say only precious then that month
very precious yeah couple some for radio
e ni say radio but nyoma bi na say me hu nyoma bi ekoso
won ti ase
me nti ase e bra nti na me busa no
o calendar me na me twa na nyame enum no kure ni o mi ana me twa o da mabem o da me so kala na me ge no bro me ge no matama to ye me de asi ye me chiro de wom na nya bibia ne kasa kasa wo debi o mo kana refo na guess no maba no mo mpe refo me chiro so mo munya betom say king na mo ka chiro mo nua ma no say me patro mo nkoso nhwe nti sa na tie
question am time to want to say me mpese me say precious get kokko no me bestie
me ma wonu nsi me ge me ge no
already my brother
obebre de agu kwasia hwe mo de oyo be ma ada style
precious when you be a kotre
sa
obe ya de mana shimkura my j ha
ti
bre
me ma ne ha wo
ha
won ge no ben wa onya bibia wo ho fendi agro
opra ama mi say
mi obetimi di mitie di agro me no fo na abugbe obetimi de di agro na we
da ene hwe so ye
are
hwe so ye because precious e media adenti na wo timi ko da precious man ti asema wa bra onim se precious me na me precious o ma babo bra school ma mo titi me o school ma mo titi me na precious no medini hu ya papa medini hu ya papa enti we woni ne dana ne hu sane na ni hu sane no ye se no head ga ni ti ko boss so se ga o hanta titi na bedwiri
bra
precious after busa 3+3 for taste
you say
taste
esmiano pu da mimi di ejira yo wase na di ejira yo
ba na
wo di oye opoku wo di oye
da ma je se sai
sa
ai fa na de na switch akozi no
tese en kan wo mebo a radi akopo
yo ye say we pa na betwa ne ka o
oye de mi ana mko kan ma di onye obi na ko kan ma mi o
obi na twa ma
obi na twa ma ma wan hwe wo di oye o get on feel stizo upon life bia ye trappers ye steez na different no nti kala no hu ye ni o ma bi na
antu ne na dana
kumo be na ni mi di no bro mo ye oba na mi no di nkomo acha ne 3-4 days u also be fi ma witwa bi na me di aye no
nti wo ne na da be say
la me di me nya one day ameti no ada be 7 no eno bi na me di aye
esa wo ne na deda
me ne na deda bra hu di o bro hwe
precious o ya dane hu
Debi calendar stone na chiu. The way I'm in se squad akum no ba stone na
o ne da oni je
bra nim se game sa na mo sa no ya kura boni
sa
hey
ma style be
ke no tim di ni se wardrobe mu na me gine chire pa
o ne beta wi no abobo do problem na
mi yi ya o se yenye no nko a na gi hide ni nai at chichire ne kon si bisi dem me
na be we koto obede ne na cross okun
bra get ne dey we stubborn no nyame no mukuri
precious asem ba kan
e ba train so dey ajai
e treze Taflbomski
hey minim se man kokko mu nim sa de ne ye da
enti na precious ne se she bai
wajimi ana ne se se
sa wo be ma ho
wajana woni mi asam be ma
Yeah, me pen kwara me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come ani mo.
won to bi kan kaminyin e kam kotin wo be bia kaminyin ni kam ji ho chini ani nipa na bo atwede ye kikra
What are you talking about?
pre aso be ye me bibi kura ma na ye me ya pre udi bredi shwa me sadi me kwa yim pre uti me kwa me ho pre
Opoku, I've not done anything. Oh. I've not gone to say anything to about you.
pre to wo hwenya me anim ahwemanim ene my je twempna o pre bone be na me ye o pre se de me si po wasem pa o pre se be o si dama kuma so tinka obaye bibi kura ma na hye a my je pre o pre wo kumi o
Opoku, but how does that concern you?
o pre ene dia se mo ka che me no
No, I don't understand. How does my relationship concern you?
hey
Oh, if I don't understand anything, you can help me
and
understand.
then I can just say you like me, we do everything I like, we are cool.
We are cool, but it doesn't mean we
But
can.
I know it is one process. We are from 1 we go to 2, we are from 2 we go to 3.
So you were thinking that way?
Yeah, pray.
Oh, Opoku. Oh, no.
Afum kwan.
Hey, we are like siblings. Why do you think we are like?
But isn't it true that you tell me that we are alike?
So we are like. So it's like we are siblings.
Why you tell me you like me? Me too, I tell you that I like you. Opre, what you are doing is not a good.
Opoku.
It's not a good. Opre, the two bed down, my J.
What is wrong with Mike J?
Opre, you asking me what is wrong with my J?
He's a nice guy.
My J. We are to throw me Bema with my J. Bema was on my J tonight.
Mike J is actually perfect. I'll choose Mike J over you anytime.
How? Babu man.
Oh, Opoku. I thought
I
you knew.
won't say precious payment.
Why you don't see Mike J or what?
Yeah, precious payment.
Oh.
Yeah, no, what's me man because the precious pay to me choose my J over me. Next year they will crack na ponchi see her. Precious be choose a ponchi over me.
So what they mean to me, I can kill a goat.
The goat and chew. Next year they may be my J and apple. Pray.
I'm sure every girl in this school choose my J over you.
Over me?
Oh yes.
Why? Because
Opoku, haven't you seen my J and haven't you seen yourself? You are a nice guy, but my J anytime. And you know, Mike J is a cool guy. Mike J, he's personal. If he knows something, he keeps it to himself. You, when I stay with you, start spreading things about us. Everything we do together, you tell people. And then when I make a baby, you come the next day and explain everything to the whole school.
Listen,
I know you.
Sometimes
That's the same thing you were with. Is it Tatiana? You were spreading. That was why she left you. You were talking.
Is Tatiana the anything change?
Let me talk here.
Tatiana the unim. Tatiana kasani and shadan click you. Oh no, I didn't want to shame you. You are the only one I like.
See what you're doing right now. If we break up right now, when we date and we break up, you start telling people that
you know that they break up. Debbie. Hey, pa they are telling me so much. Missy break you up.
Opoku, my relationship doesn't concern you.
See my dear Nana, my dear was champagne you in happen.
You know that we are dating. So that is where I want to be. I want to be with Mike J. So please don't come into my relationship.
Okay.
Don't talk about it to anybody. You can decide to spread it. I want people to hear about it. So you can be telling people. You can even go and get the siren. Tell people.
And say ham you. And say ham but una untimi me kasam hu bi me na ye me ya.
But we are talking.
Ubeti me because Let me be so.
But we are friends. Oh,
you and
we
me
were
are friends.
And if I'm still dating,
My
we
J
can
to
be
me no
friends.
da. My J to me tell me baby or no die in
Hey.
my J don't know.
My J is not you. My J wouldn't do that.
My J don't know. Nakayana who say my J no wada. Or no wada church baby or no die. How many times you no wada in
Oh, I don't believe
you are cheapless. You are very, very cheapless. Oh, fool. Oh, I won't talk.
That's what you're telling me right now.
Ebeye me ya se wuntimi mekasa me ho biem.
I've heard you.
Mate, who me atwem why?
Okay.
Me atwem.
Opoku, we don't have to end this way. We don't have to end this way. Why are you doing this? I'm leaving you. It's like I don't know whether everything is fine or not. So I'm leaving you.
Pray who me atwem. Pray who me atwem. Pray who me atwem. Me atwem. Pray who me atwem.
Precious. Are they again what? Huh?
So Opoku came to me and told me that you said you've been sleeping with me and all the locations that we've been to. You've told everybody in the school. You don't have to lie like
Precious,
that, Mike J.
Precious, mommy cannot control. We know they will see me control. Oh, fine, Maka. But once a boy and I know how. And you may be on ma. Some man who now got you baby. I don't never man idea. I can't say. What I say, but this time around, me and maybe a man who I can't chill. I won't even go country be out. But some man who says I'm a ferrier and I'm sure coming country. See me sorry. Okay.
Please, there are some things that when you say it goes a long way to affect me. Please.
You know something, Precious. I love you. I won't lie to you. The way I love you, sometimes baby be am pay you. So be nya oba ope. I swear. I love you, okay? KBBA. That's what my had and I say I have by force. Huh?
I just want you to know that don't be
What?
saying things like that.
I'm sorry. Okay. Hey, ready. Hey.
If I hear again, you won't be
you
happy.
won't hear again. You won't hear again. Okay. Have you eaten?
Have you eaten?
Did you?
Let's go and get.
But I want you to me busa also what did you wakase ane. Hey, and then man on my banu busa no you mistake busa so what did you? Do you have my account to music nyina beko.
But have you eaten?
But seriously, let me name so a nice person see.
Have you eaten?
Mindidi, say me can sem. Me name so a nice person see. Hey.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey.
Let's go.
And again and again.